Self-love first starts with recognizing all the places where you don't love yourself, and then asking yourself why, and taking the time to go back in your life and healing that which has caused you not to care about yourself, not to love yourself. And then looking at all your behaviors, your eating, how you take care of yourself, being happy, your relationship with other people, and seeing all the places where it doesn't work, or where it doesn't suit you, or where it doesn't satisfy you or make you happy, and being willing to heal all of those places in yourself, so that what replaces the lack of self-love is acceptance, is peace, is joy, is happiness. That ultimately leads you to forgive your past and be able to fall in love with yourself and to love yourself.